Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by installing and enabling Google Indic Keyboard. This is the critical first step. Once installed, open Settings and go to Languages and Input to enable the keyboard as your virtual input method. Make sure you add the specific Indic languages you need now, because once enabled you'll switch between them quickly. You'll also want to allow full access if prompted to use predictive text. This improves suggestions. After that, return to any app with a text field to start typing in the next step. Now configure how you'll type. Choose transliteration for phonetic typing, InScript for native layout, or phone keypad for classic number style input. Once chosen, open keyboard settings to toggle autocorrect, suggestion frequency, and long press character options so typing matches your speed and accuracy needs. You can also enable keypress sound or vibration if you want feedback. While typing, switch languages with the globe key or long press the spacebar. This lets you alternate scripts seamlessly. Practice a few words to confirm the layout behaves as finish by learning advanced features. Add phrases to your personal dictionary and set shortcuts for frequent words to speed up typing. Once done, update the app regularly and clear cache from app settings if you notice lag or crashes, because stale data often causes slowdowns. If characters don't appear correctly, make sure the language pack is fully downloaded and that the keyboard has necessary permissions. Reinstall as a last resort. If suggestions are off, reset keyboard preferences and retrain by typing normal text for a short period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.